In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your MyHeritage subscription. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official MyHeritage website at myheritage.com, then log into your account. Once you are on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your name to open the drop-down menu. From there, select My Purchases. Under the My Purchases section, you will see a list of your active plans. Select the relevant subscription you wish to manage. This could be a site, data, or photo subscription. On the next screen, you will be able to see your current plan type and your next scheduled billing date. To prevent any future charges, click on the button that says Cancel My Subscription or Stop Annual Renewal. If you don't have an active subscription, this section will appear empty. However, if you are currently on a plan, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. Once completed, you will typically receive a confirmation email, and your premium access will remain active until the end of your current billing period. And that's it. That's how you cancel your MyHeritage subscription. Thank you for watching.